Hello, and you are welcome to 5 minutes video based training, which is just provided and produced for demo. In this demo, I'm going to talk about traffic engineering. What is traffic engineering? What is network engineering? Is there any difference between these two? When you are a network engineer, business owner asks you to design something so he can move 20 simultaneous calls from branches to the central office. Also, he asks you to add the capability so he can have two video conference at the same time. Printing at central point from branches is just a preference. You as a network engineer design and implement a network which meets these requirements. But when you are a network engineer, you face with a network which is ready. But the traffic pattern is changing all the time. Traffic pattern in the morning is different from the noon or from the night. And at some times in the day, there are some links which are overutilized. And you, as a traffic engineer, have to move around these traffic in the past, so you cannot see some links which are underutilized, and at the same time there are some links which are overutilized. Probably a slide definition is better. You as a traffic engineer have to move traffic around so that traffic from a congested link is moved onto the unused capacity on another link. When a link is overutilized, but there are some other links which are underutilized, you as a traffic engineer have to move around the traffic to those links. What's your tools? How traffic engineering is done? In different networks, there are different methods for traffic engineering. In IP, not the best, but the first method is changing the metrics of the links in a way that routing protocols thinks that there are some equal paths to a destination, but they are not the same. They are not equal. You change link metric in a way that the routing protocol thinks that they are the same. So the router distributes traffic in IP network between different paths. But as we'll see, there are some problems in this method. In ATM, also we have traffic engineering. In ATM, you can have a full mesh virtual circuit between edge routers. And at edge routers, you can control the path of your traffic. But we will see that there are also some disadvantages with ATM traffic engineering. Actually, the best traffic engineering method is related to MPLS networks, which is the idea of this course. This course, we are going to talk about the details of MPLS traffic engineering, and you can understand the advantages of MPLS traffic engineering comparing to IP and ATM. As I said in the previous slide, changing the cost of a link in IP network is the first method of traffic engineering. But this is not the best. Actually, all the time it's not a solution. When you change the cost of a link to affect the north to the south traffic pattern, actually, at the same time, east to west traffic is also impacted. So, changing the cost of a link in IP network to affect the path of a traffic is not a good solution. There is a famous problem in IP network. You know, in IP, the traffic is always goes through the best path. Look at this figure.